Dr. Dave bros frauditors, he puts them on the grill. Stop complaining about your massive water bill. Stick the foil up where the sun don't shine. When I'm done with you, your shop will be mine. I'm living life I've taken in the sun. I destroy frauditors, I do it all for fun. I got weapons of mass destruction for you, bud. I got 99 crumbs, but a gold ain't one. But a gold ain't one. I got 99 crumbs, but a gold ain't one.
Today's video takes us to the Northern District of Georgia Federal Court, where we find old RustyBoy. He says he shouldn't have to pay the court costs because he's a disabled veteran, and that would be a burden on him. I tell you what's a bigger burden, Rusty, is, well, look around your midsection. That's a pretty big burden. Yeah, now I'm trying to figure out how he bought that new truck if he's unable to pay court costs. And he said he was going to sue Dr. Dave. So you're broke as a joke, huh? Well, us all sit back, watch, have a good laugh, and most of all, enjoy, RustyBoy. Well, now let's just take a look at what old RustyBoy found here. Of course, I had to take his last name out of here, or he would have cried to YouTube and said, Dr. Dave's trying to dox me, and that's not very nice. Yeah, well, it says here, comes now Russell the Peckerwood files this opposition to defendant's bill of cost, showing the court as follows. Defendants seek taxation of $21.70.40. Oh, that's not very much money. Rusty, what are you crying about, boy? Anyway, it says the federal rule of civil procedure creates a presumption in favor of awarding a cost to the prevailing party. That presumption is not absolute. The court has broad discretion to deny or reduce costs. Oh, and you're going to claim you're a disabled veteran and you shouldn't have to pay court costs. Is that what you're saying, RustyBoy? Well, now, it's not that we don't appreciate your service, Rusty, because we certainly do. But if you're going to go out in public and act like a jackwagon, then you have to pay the cost. What does it say? Argument, Part 2. Plaintiff is a disabled veteran of limited means. Oh, wait a minute. Limited means. That's why you drive all around the countryside and perform these so-called audits? Limited means. How much money do you spend on gas? How much money do you spend on food and hotels? How much money, Rusty? Oh, I think I'm going to have to notify the judge of this because we know you make money on that YouTube channel. We know for a fact, RustyBoy, your inability to pay is not valid. Taxing costs against a disabled veteran under these circumstances would impose a severe and unjust hardship contrary to principles of equity. So does that mean you're giving up frauditing since you can't afford to drive around anymore? I think the judge needs to hear about this, good people. What do you people think? Let me know in the comment section. Let's see. Defendants failed to mitigate costs by filing an early motion to dismiss. Oh, dearie me. And then at the bottom it says, the deposition transcript was not necessary for use in this case. Oh, did that add to the cost, Rusty? Now let's read under Part D here towards the bottom. Taxing costs here would deter future civil rights claims. Oh, you're saying that you plan on filing more claims? Let's see. This action involved constitutional and civil rights claims against government officials, precisely the type of case Congress intended to encourage through private enforcement. Courts have cautioned that court costs and fee awards in civil rights cases. Okay, and then we got to go to the next page. The costs must be carefully scrutinized to avoid discouraging plaintiffs from vindicating their rights. And then he quotes a court case. Let's see, the Ninth Circuit denied costs of $216,000 in the civil rights action. Oh, wow. Now, let's see, let's keep going on here. Imposing thousands of dollars in cost against a disabled veteran in this case risked deterring other civil rights plaintiffs of limited means from pursuing justice in federal court. Oh, dearie me. Let's see. This matter was originally filed in Coweta County Superior Court, and defendants made the strategic choice to remove the case to federal court, thereby increasing the cost of litigation and requiring additional procedures unique to this court. Courts may consider a party's choice of forum when evaluating the equities of a cost award. Rusty, that sounds pretty professional. You're a YouTube law attorney, aren't you, boy? RustyBoy, the YouTube law attorney, goes on to say that having voluntarily selected this more costly forum, defendants should now be permitted to shift those costs to the expensive onto the plaintiff. Oh, RustyBoy. Considering plaintiff's disabled veteran status and limited means, which is bullshit, Rusty, we all know that, defendants failure to pursue cost-saving measures, the unnecessary nature of the deposition costs, the chilling effect on future civil rights plaintiffs, and defendants' voluntary removal of federal court to equities strongly favor denying or substantially reducing defendants' bill of cost. Wow, Rusty. That sounds like some Perry Mason shit right there, bro. Furthermore, the court has broad discretion to deny costs where justice so requires. Another court citing, this is precisely such a case. Conclusion. For the foregoing reasons, plaintiff respectfully requests that this court deny defendant's bill of cost in its entirety, or in the alternative, substantially reduce the cost tax to exclude deposition and copying charges. Respectfully submitted, Russell Baby Boy RustyBoy, pro se. Yeah, now, RustyBoy, you know what they say about pro se people? You got a fool for a client. Oh, you baby boy. I tell you why RustyBoy doesn't want to pay this $2,100. It's because it's going to eat into his Taco Bell budget, good people. You know as well as I do that RustyBoy loves him some Taco Bell. Matter of fact, he even told me in an email that him and Lana love them some Taco Bell. Yeah, really. He said that. No doubt about it. Yeah, I wonder if RustyBoy is going to file a copyright strike on Dr. Dave. He said he wanted to sue Dr. Dave, so, hey, I don't know, man. You figure it out. He doesn't have any money. He said he has limited means. Well, I don't know. You have to figure that out for yourself, Rusty. But in the meantime, what are you going to do if the court denies? You'll magically find the $2,100 from your AdSense account on YouTube? I imagine so. I wonder how much money he makes on his website. Yeah, does he sell any merchandise? You know what he should start selling? Some Dr. Dave merchandise. That would sell really well. Yeah, put on something like, put a mustache on me, like Hitler. Put a black mustache on me. Yeah, that would sell really well. Say, he's Hitler. And then put a little swastika on there. Yeah, that'd sell real good. That'd be real nice. Especially down south there. That'd probably sell real nice. Yeah, well, RustyBoy's just an idiot. What can I tell you? Lost his job as a PI, and now look what he does. He's a veteran of, a disabled veteran of limited means. Well, if you want to see some more idiots, I got about 5 more minutes worth coming your way right now. Throw that clip.
JBTP, Jackboot Thug Pig.
Stop. You're touching him. Stop. You're touching him.
You've already been warned for trespass.
Wait, listen. Slow your roll. You work for me.
Hiding from the camera. Cowards. Why don't you come over here and talk about the Constitution with me?
You are a loser. You're a loser. You're willing to lie. That's a demon right there, waiting to find a reason to arrest you, impound your car, take you to the dungeon.
I ain't fusing anything. All I know is I have not broken one law.
They take me to a tiny room, make me strip down naked, and then you know what they do? They make me turn around, spread my butt cheeks, and look up my butthole.
Listen, you asked me to listen, and I listened to you. Please listen.
Because you keep telling the same story over and over,
Because I have a right to explain what actually happened.
Okay. You, sir, you're a disgrace to this country. You should move to North Korea or to Russia.
So I'm asking you nicely right now to leave.
All right. And you need to fix the air conditioner.
And I had a spat with Dr. Dave, but he's using those other channels owners to
fight his dirty work.
I'm outside, sir. I stepped outside.
That's it. We're done.
So just give me the complaint form.
I told you to stop recording, and you continue.
I stepped outside. I stepped outside. Don't touch my shit. I'll smack the shit out of you. Why are you touching my property? Why are you touching my property?
And you're Darren. You are a Nazi, sir.
This is what I do.
For what? For money?
I record. This is my job. My bad. It's my job.
I get that.
It's my job.
Last time.
It's my job. They told me down. I did nothing. I did nothing. I did nothing.
Did you ask me to take my picture? Huh? What's your deal, dude? Or whatever you are.
So what's your deal, dude? Why are you filming me?
Business, man.
What's your deal?
Mind your own business.
My own business?
You
just made it my business by filming my kids.
What are you, a tough guy, sweet nuts?
You're interfering with my First Amendment.
You're under arrest for obstruction.
You're under arrest. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Are you threatening me? Are you threatening me? With arrest. Who are you?
Hi, I'm on Candy camera.
You are.
Yes, I am.
And you have to identify yourself. Failure to identify, you're in breach of the...
I'm Officer Hardy, Ever Police. Have a good day.
What's your name, badge number? Name and badge number.
Right here.
Is that what you're going to tell the judge? I've dismissed you. You've been dismissed 5 times.
Okay.
You've been dismissed.
Okay.
You've been sent back to work. You know how much video footage I have of you guys wasting taxpayers' money?
I'm not interested in talking to you. Have a nice day. Buddy, I'm going to ask you not to escalate things and just leave me alone here.
My purpose is to try to ruin people's lives. Send a bunch of negative people over to the channel.
Because I don't go back and forth with peons. Here's what I'm planning on doing. I'm planning on shutting down a couple Frauditor channels.
No. I'm not trespassed from here. No, I'm not.
She asked you to leave. She wants you to leave.
For what reason?
She said you're causing a disturbance. Okay, I just got assaulted, buddy. I just got assaulted, and you're going to do your job.
I'm on public property. Have a nice day.
You have a nice day. Get the hell out of here.
Don't touch my shit, dude.
You don't take pictures of me without asking.
Don't ever touch my shit.
Do not touch me. Who the hell do you think you are?
You need to move.
Interfering is a physical
You need to move. You don't know the statute.
Could you please call supervisor?
Wait, leave.
I'd appreciate that. Could you please call supervisor? I will leave under threat of arrest, sir.
Well, now you're under arrest for disorderly conduct, please.
And I'm like, bitch, I've asked you 3 times for the law.
There's intelligence bulletins going around about me and my wife. I'm not allowed to harass you guys anymore.
I'm telling you now, this is my house. So I was burglarized. Unless you can tell me what's all my stuff, you need to mind your business.
I have a right to film in public.
I don't he do.
On the sidewalk.
Sir?
On the sidewalk.
Whoa, don't touch me.
What's
wrong with you?
This is the sidewalk.
Don't touch me. Don't put your hands on me. What's your name and badge number?
I'm just taking a look. Why are you... I'm not touching you, dude. I'm just taking a look.
You're going on YouTube. I have a big channel. Dude.
You need to leave. You are making me uncomfortable.
If I'm under arrest, then you are required to give me my Miranda rights.
That says employees only. Follow it. Now, Craig, can you not read?
The clerk's office is employees only.
Over says you have to accommodate. Over says you have to...
You can knock out, You lost your job, bitch.
Because of all the backstabbers like Delete Law, James Freeman, Lackluster, and all the people that made tons of money off of my video. No, because there's no expectation of privacy in public. That's the thing.
That's some shows. Are you going to identify or am I going to put paper on you? You going to identify or am I going to put paper on you?
They don't want you here anymore. You care to leave for me? But they want you to leave. So let's step out of the building, okay?
Are you going to arrest me if I don't?
Yes, sir. I will arrest you.
That's all I needed.
Leave the building.
Will you arrest me if I don't?
Get the cell phone out of my building.
All right. I'll leave under duress.
I retire as an auditor, so I'm officially done.